Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to hide your online status on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your Telegram apps, tap on this. Now tap on three dot icon. Next, go to your Telegram setting. Scroll down here. You can see that private and security. Tap on this icon. Next, you can see that last seen and online. Tap on this. After that, tap on nobody and tap on right icon. Tap on OK. Hopefully your problem solved successfully and your Telegram online status in secret.